Hey, coming at you today. Just a quick review. This mixing mate, it goes on a gallon container of paint or finish. They come in quart sizes too. I picked this up at Rockler. I think a couple other people have it too, Lee Valley, and I'm sure you can find it other places. It's made of plastic. It's not a metal one, but it's not expensive. Has a stirrer, locks on the gallon. Just pull back on the thumb release and it pours out. And it's great. There's no messes, no spills. You can see the can. It's all clean. And it makes pouring finishes in or paints into your spray gun or a paint tray so much easier. You know, just give it a turn, stirs it up. You don't get that run out all over the can. There's positive locks. You could probably leave it on here just like a lid, because there's a O-ring seal, and you see what's going on. It's just a mess to clean up afterwards, but it's no big deal. It's not that bad. It's a quick review. Hey, be safe in your shop. Have a good day. See ya.